Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of collectible toys with the best Funko Pop Frankenstein available, the MART Hirono Little Mischief series blind box figures. If you're a collector or just a fan of adorable and unique figurines, you're in for a treat with these Little Mischief series blind box figures. Crafted by MART, a brand known for their quality and creativity, these figures are a must-have for any toy enthusiast. So, what makes these figures so special? Let's start with the design. Each figure in this series boasts a quirky and charming aesthetic, featuring a variety of playful characters that are sure to bring a smile to your face. From mischievous critters to whimsical creatures, the attention to detail in the design is truly impressive. Plus, with the element of surprise in each blind box, opening one is like embarking on a mini treasure hunt. Don't let their small size fool you. These figures may stand between 2.3 to 4.1 inches tall, but they pack a big punch in terms of personality and charm. Crafted from premium materials including durable PVC plastic, ABS, and paper, these figures are built to last. Plus, they're finished with non-toxic, odorless paint, ensuring they meet rigorous safety standards for peace of mind. Looking for the perfect gift for any occasion? Look no further. Whether it's Children's Day, Christmas, or just a thoughtful gesture for a friend, these blind box figures are sure to delight recipients of all ages. And rest assured, if you encounter any issues with your purchase, MART is committed to providing top-notch customer service. Simply refer to the contact information provided to resolve any concerns. Well, there you have it, folks. The MART Hirono Little Mischief series blind box figures, the best Funko Pop Frankenstein available in the market. Don't miss out on adding these adorable collectibles to your shelf. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy collecting!